logo reveals, but you are thinking that it is really hard to do this. So make sure to watch this complete video. I'm going to teach you how to do this type of a professional logo reveal very easily with only 3 steps. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into this video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's start the video with a professional logo reveal. First of all, you have to open the browser, whichever browser you are using, and then search for the website www.renderforest.com, and you can also access this from the link in the description box, so don't worry, just click on that and you will be here. Now tap on the video options. Now you will see a lot of logo reveals over here, like the neon power logo reveal, blazing cube, and many others. So let's choose one of them. I'm going to choose the blazing cube one and create now, and trust me, it's going to be really amazing. So now I'm not going to put any logo over here, so you have to put your logo, but I'm just going to put something over here. Okay, so now after you have put your logo and written your channel's name, just have to go and select a preferable music like this. And then once you have selected your preferable music, or you can also upload the music that you want to from the upload option. And anyways, you've got many good options over here, so don't worry. Now go to the preview and proceed anyway, and then tap the free preview option. It will tell you to sign in to the website. So first of all, once you have signed in, you can tap the free preview option again, and it will take some time for it to get loaded. You will see this cool looking emoji or maybe GIF. So over here you also got the option to notify you by email or browser notification. Don't select any of them, it will be just So guys, you can see our logo is ready, our logo reveal is ready, but there's one thing, there is a watermark over here, so you can just put your logo over there to hide the watermark, or let the watermark be there, because you can also remove the watermark by subscribing to Render Forest and pay some rupees to them. But anyways, don't worry, it's okay. So that is for today's video, and I hope you guys learned something new and enjoyed the video. If so, make sure to like to the channel or the video and subscribe to the channel right now, because I will be bringing more interesting content on this YouTube channel. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.